Well, welcome to 10-Minute Tips. This morning, the topic we're covering is archiving Adobe Connect sessions. These would be sessions that you've recorded using the web address that we've been using for a couple of years. That would be cssac.css.edu and then / your username. As you may know, we will be switching to a different hosted service of Adobe Connect, and at that time, if you want your previously recorded sessions of Adobe Connect to still be available to students, you will need to archive those sessions and make them available in a different way because people will no longer be able to access the previous version of Adobe Connect to watch recordings. So I'm going to show you how to download the recording that you have and then a couple of different ways that you can convert the file format and make it available to others. First, you need to start off by accessing the recording that you made. In this situation, I have created a sample recording in a meeting room that I have called Nicole. So what I'm going to do is go to the Meetings tab in my Adobe Connect account. Here I'm going to choose the meeting room where my recording is. And from the menu bar that you see here, I'm going to go over to Recordings and click that. Now the recording that I want to archive is called Sample Recorded Session. So I'm going to click that, and then under Actions you choose that, and you can either edit the recording before you download or you can directly download, and that is the Make FLV option. FLV is a flash video file. That's the file format that is available for download in our current version of Adobe Connect. Okay, so it will give you a message telling you that you should have your screen resolution set probably at 1024 by 768, which is standard, but it should be set at whatever resolution you used when you made the recording. And then you can click Proceed with the offline recording, and it prompts you for a space to save the recording. So in this case, I'm just going to save it to my desktop. And what actually happens when this is downloaded is that the file itself plays from the Adobe Connect server down to your own computer at the speed that the recording is at. So it takes exactly as long as the recording for the file itself to download onto your computer. So my sample file is 33 seconds long, and that's how long it's taking to download. If your recorded session was an hour, you can expect that it will take a full hour for that to record to your computer. And during that time, you need to make sure that you have a very good internet connection that doesn't interrupt, and that you don't do other things on your computer other than maybe using Microsoft Word, for example. But if you're using an internet connection for other things, it could create problems with your recording and you may have to do it again. So in this situation, it's all done. The recording has been made. And what I'm going to do now is show you a couple different ways that you can convert the file from FLV and then make it available to others. So the first thing that you can do is upload it into your YouTube account. So if you log into your Gmail account and you click on, your Gmail account here, and then you click on, scroll down to More, and YouTube. This sends you to the YouTube account that is attached to your Gmail account through the college. And what we do is up here in the right-hand corner, we click Upload. Now, if you've never used your YouTube account before, the first thing you'll need to do is go over to the left to My Channel and create a channel. That's basically giving a name to the channel associated with your account. If you've already used it, then you can directly upload. You choose at the beginning, do you want it to be public, unlisted, which will be viewable to anybody with a link to see your video, or private, in which case you would have to invite people to be able to view it. So I'm going to just choose unlisted, and go ahead and click. And then I'm going to browse and find my FLV file that I just saved, which is sample recorded session. What YouTube does now is it uploads it and it actually automatically converts the file format to a universally playable format, MP4. And while it's uploading, you can change the name of it, you can add a description, you can do other things, other types of advanced settings if you want to change them. So what's going to happen is as this uploads and converts, it will just show that it's processing, and when it's completely done processing, it will give you a link, and this link here would be where you'd be able to view it. And then when you go to your main account and you go to My Channel, once it's uploaded in the Video Manager, you'll be able to see the completed video upload and you can edit other things about it. So this is currently uploading right now. You wouldn't have to do anything else other than find the link to this video and share it. The second way that you can convert this file and then share it with others is actually directly through the Google Drive. So from your Gmail account, find your Drive. And from here, what you do is you upload the file, the FLV file, File, Upload. I'm going to find it now. There it is. I'll wait for it to upload. And when it appears here, what I do is I right-click on it and I go to Open with Cloud Convert. This is a conversion tool that's available through Google that will convert this file format to something that's universally viewable. So in our situation, we're going to choose MP4 because that's the best video format. So it's automatically selected the file that I want, and it's showing me what would I like to output, and I'm going to choose the video file format MP4. It says everything is ready, and I click Start Conversion. And when it's completed, it will have saved an MP4 version of my video directly into my Google Drive. Once that MP4 is there, I can download it from my Google Drive and then upload it into a Blackboard course, or I can in fact share this video through my Google Drive with, for example, my students if I'd like to do it that way, and then they can view it from the Google Drive.